Hi, this is Casa Grande Luxury Apartments at East Legon Trasanko. Now let me show you why you need to book your next stay with us. This is our 3-bedroom apartment. Big living space, modern finishing, all bedrooms en suite, and everything you need to feel at home. And if you are looking for something more smaller but stylish, our 1-bedroom apartments are perfect. Simple, modern, and it just takes care of you. Staying with us means you get to enjoy more than just your room. Our gym at Casa Grande is state-of-the-art and well-equipped. And our chic private swimming pool is just a vibe. For an amazing dining experience, our rooftop restaurants and lounge offers great food, good music, and beautiful views of Trasanko. Need I say more? Book your stay now. Call us.
Wait, that's my husband. Wait, I don't want this. What is he doing in the hotel? Wait, please. Okay, come forward, I want to see something. Oh my... What?
It's good to see you. Is this where you work?
Yes, please.
Oh, nice. It's not far from my end, though.
Wait, okay. Let's go. He can't lie to me again. He can't lie to me this time. Let's go.
Hey, Bella. Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. My house is not too far from here.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. Yeah. So, I'll be checking up on you, but you should be checking up on me. I'll send you directions. Okay?
All right.
And I know you work, but this is, in fact, you can have this, okay?
Thank you.
I'll be in touch.
Okay, see you soon.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yo, bust it up.
Baby girl,
Link it up.
baby girl.
Link it up.
See all of them are so na feeling on a sin a bump. Me make it them a so na feeling hidden at them hood. Me a finna say rule bigger in a them a hear. Here's all a rotica article boy. Baby girl, it up higher. Road boys that really bad and a boost on. Me make it them a so na feeling good in a hater. We run things never rub me dead. Say me a finna movie hotter in a them a hood. Then many people know it's every whining in a club. Then it's just them a mafia down here. You know that.
Hello, waiter.
One more, okay?
Who is that lady over there?
This is my first time seeing her here.
Did you see her coming with someone?
Okay. I think something is even worrying her.
That's fine.
Waiting for my drink.
Hi, Tracey.
Are you the waiter?
No, I just want
Thank you.
I don't know what you're going through. I don't know what pain or what is making you tear like that. But trust me, life has its own way of presenting itself. And I think I now understand the reason I came here tonight. Please, I want to take off that pain in your heart. Whatever is making you cry, I want to change the situation. I want to change the story. Beautiful black rose, please allow me to wipe away your tears and let me do it better.
I caught him with my eyes, cheating. See? He always cheats. This little girls. And when I catch him, he denies. But this time, I caught him with my eyes, myself. I'm not gonna forgive him. Cheers.
Well, like I said, I think there was a reason I came here tonight. And I'm not sure whoever destroying this beautiful heart sitting right in front of me is ever going to have the chance to destroy that again, because I'm going to take over. And I'm going to make it, and make it the best way. So just, listen, you can't be drinking this. Let's call the waiter for something else.
Leave.
I know, that's fine. Let's just, okay. Waiter!
Sir.
Okay.
So, Christiana.
Yes, do you have Hennessy?
Nah, we're out of stock at the moment. But we have Jagamaster.
Yes! Jagamaster! I like that.
Got you, madam.
Go and bring it.
Clear everything here, then get us that one.
Okay.
No, leave this.
Okay.
So
Okay, let
back
me
to
finish this.
back to you again. My beautiful black roses. Tracey? Tracey, what's wrong? Why are you here alone?
I'm waiting for Mom.
You're waiting for Mommy? Oh, why are you waiting for Mommy?
I can't sleep without her.
Okay, come on. It's getting late. Yeah? You have to try and sleep. You must sleep. You know you have school tomorrow, right? Look, Mommy is gonna come home. Maybe she's just doing some extra work at the workplace. But I'll wait for her. Okay?
Okay.
Promise you, by the time you wake up in the morning, Mommy will be here. Alright? Okay. So we're gonna try and sleep? Yes? Alright, let's go. Into your room, I was so surprised you weren't in. You're home now, fine.
He's a cheat.
Can we go inside so you make yourself more comfortable in the bedroom?
No. You all cheat. Cheater. Cheater.
Stop this,
Cheaters.
stop this. Stop this. I've told you to stop saying this. I mean, all men are not the same.
Okay.
Okay?
So, why do you guys cheat? What do you get from that?
Well, I don't cheat. And let's go inside.
No, I'm fine. I'll stay here. Cheater. Cheaters, all of you. It's okay. I saw him. I caught him.
Good morning, beautiful black roses. Good morning, Queen. How was your night?
Awesome.
I got you something.
Joe.
Yes.
But I'm definitely gonna come downstairs.
No. You're a princess and you deserve all the princess treatment. Please, get up and
Hey,
eat something.
I love you.
Love you too. Please.
Wow.
It's morning. Just eat something for me.
Okay, if you insist.
I wanted to serve you in bed.
All this for me?
For you. Breakfast in bed.
Thank you.
I had to wake up very early.
Yes, I guess you woke up early.
I had no choice.
I'll definitely come downstairs.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to.
Thank you. Okay.
Please.
I'll try.
Please eat very well. And
No, I want you to sit here. Don't go.
I want to take a quick shower. I'll join you soon. Okay?
Alright.
So just eat, okay?
I love you.
Love you, honey.
Tracey! Tracey!
Yeah?
Are you here? Hurry up, we're running late. Hurry, please. I woke you up a long time ago. Are you now paying? Tracey, speed up, please. Hurry. We're running late. I woke you up long ago. Have you eaten?
Yes.
Okay, please hurry, let's go. You can buckle it in the car. It's okay, let's go. You buckle it in the car. Yes.
Please, where is Mommy?
Tracy, we are running late for school. Mommy's gonna come. It's just that maybe she had some extra work doing and she had to sleep over. I'm sure by the time you come back from school today, she'll be here, okay? Don't worry, let's go, we're late. You can buckle it in the car, we're running late. Let's go. Chantel. Are you okay? Is everything alright? You safe?
Yes. You can see I'm doing very well.
Well, I was expecting some bad news for whatever reason. Because it's unlike you, to stay overnight.
Well, I have a lot of work to do and I have to complete it before my boss comes in, so yes.
So where did you sleep?
Here? Well, can't you see I'm in the same outfit from yesterday? I need to complete all these jobs before my boss comes in.
Well, that's fine. I just think maybe you should have alerted me or something when you have to stay overnight like this. It's not being too fair to me, you understand what I mean? But for as long as you're okay, that's good to know. Tracey was up all night waiting for you. So please next time just let us know what's happening, okay? If you're fine, that's good. I feel better now because I was a bit worried. Well, I'm running late for work as well, so see you at home. Okay? You okay?
Yes.
Boss. Pacho madam ba.
Let's take the bags inside.
Mommy, please, food is ready.
Oh, it's okay. Enjoy, okay?
Daddy, please, won't Mommy join us?
Did you not hear what she said? Concentrate on your food and eat. When she's ready, she'll come and eat. When she's hungry, she'll eat. Sandra, what's going on? What is the problem? What's happening?
I don't get you. What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? You're acting up. You have this attitude about you. You didn't come home after work. You didn't even call me to alert me that you won't be coming. I mean, what's the problem? What's happening?
But I told you everything when you came to the office. I explained to you, so where from all this?
I mean, if anybody should be putting up an attitude, it should be me. Because I'm the one you didn't tell that you weren't going to come home, that you were going to sleep out. No notice, no nothing. And yet you come back and you are the one acting as if, I don't even understand. At the dining table, your daughter was even confused. She was asking if you eat, and you Chantel, what is the matter? I'm lost. What is the problem? What's going on?
Look, if you don't want me to share the same bed with you, I can go to the guest room, okay? I can see you don't want me to sleep here.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm trying to dialogue here with you. I'm trying to understand what the matter is. And yes,
Now where when sir?
Me and my name is Sassy. If somebody need to feel by you. I didn't make it. I didn't know who or the other war, a bomb. Eh?
It's Jim Abbey complain now.
I want you complain, Mamma say. When you complain, Mamma say. So we quite move. Oh, me fear me that. Not to be on me fear me that. What they do more. Are they? Edma Bell Qua.
Waba office. Wabi who said, Desk, me desk is why a mount. I'm a coach man, me bro. And you may go me son, lucky enough for buying on one in the neighborhood. Miss George, man, who not the action. Until I complain, Benny. I don't see me by 1 hour into 1 hour so from enemy.
Not then, I won't country. Woman in home tears, yes, say that the enemy.
Feduma
dear Maduma, no foul couldn't dear man. What Jacolana, ne papa will feel musu, a dear horse, a fair. Our dear bear no. Our any caboca bear no. Eh? Ratty. Mumpedi away. Sister was Subana, warrior one, not papa, a warrior one. Min present history may repeating itself. Miss Loud, the upper party here, me. Jammy, ya, mammy, dear, who are the show when better be repeated. She,
you go inside, and I mean, you okay,
may come fee.
Me the edge I said,
Me, I did.
Now, nobody more the cancer, Miss Matty. Now, they do me.
And you're Janet and by you. Cadriani, one year can be brave with fear. Me, you're Jania, son of Meba. Why? Yes, I need to buy.
1 year, Bristol will come.
I may Ma, may come so much. Hey,
Stop that. No, stop.
Okay, let me stop. I don't want to tickle you.
Okay, so now your favorite show is on. Concentrate.
Yes. How did you know that's my favorite show? Oh, I told you.
Yes.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, so I'm not going to tickle you again. Let me concentrate. Let me concentrate on the show now.
This is the second time this is happening.
You actually like watching?
Yes, sorry.
Again? And she's not answering again?
Why won't you answer and at least tell him something? At least, I mean, it's better you pick up and tell him something.
No. Don't worry about that. Okay, so can I ask you for a favor, please?
Of course, ask me anything. Ask
Okay.
me anything, I'll do anything for you.
I wanted to plead with you if I'm allowed to move in here.
I mean, like, you mean to move in here with me?
Yes.
Of course! I mean, you don't even need to ask this. This is... Listen. I told you, you deserve the very best in life. Honestly, I can't watch you go back to that bully husband of yours.
Wow.
Okay, you deserve all the best treatment, the princess treatment. I mean, honestly, I can't wait to have you here. I can't wait for you to move in here. Can we do that tomorrow morning?
It's okay.
Can we do that tomorrow morning?
Thank you so much. No. Since you've given me the permission, you just leave that to me. I'll take care of that. I just wanted your permission first.
Well, permission is granted and it should be activated with immediate effect.
Don't worry. I'll leave that to me. I know what to do.
Chantel, what's going on? Didn't you see my missed calls? I've been trying to call you since and you're not answering. What's happening? With all this, your attitude, mood swings, what's the problem? Huh? Wait, is that how you treat your husband?
Husband?
Why, am I not your husband?
Well, Jim, I want a divorce. Yes.
What?
You heard me.
What? Chantel! Chantel. Are you serious about what you said earlier on? Because I'm confused.
What? Did it look like I was joking when I was talking to you? Hello?
Okay. Just let me hear you say it again. Because it's all not making sense to me. Just repeat it. Let me know you are not joking.
Okay. I said that I don't want to be in this marriage again. I want a divorce.
But why? Why?
Nothing. I want a divorce.
Well, there has to be a reason. Why do you want a divorce? What did I do wrong? What has gone wrong? What happened? There has to be something. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense to me. If you even went to see a lawyer for a divorce, they're going to ask you for the reason. So you have to write a reason why you want a divorce. You must say something. Okay, so I'm just blabbing. I'm making noise that you don't want to hear what I'm saying. Okay. I see, that's fine. No problem. Are you serious about what you said last night? Really? You've packed your things? Are you leaving us? Are you leaving? Chantal, what's come over you? Why? Look at your daughter. Look at Tracey. At least consider her. Your daughter is crying and you don't feel anything? And you are leaving? What have I done? What did I do? What is it? Chantal, say something. Chantal.
Come on, open the gates. These gates will wash them. Open the gates.
Tracey. And then how I would tell you. And then I will pay Wunya, Wabbit and a half packet to a Wusu, and when you go and trans in your baby. Now we are packet to us to let us. Eh, you're not upon our bone, boy. Hi. No more probably then I will power over Pampa.
And she doesn't understand about you. And what did you do to her to make her leave us alone?
Tracey, it's okay. Come, sit down. Obepa, Mate, Mommy's gonna come. Just trust me on that. She just maybe needs some time to think things over, or she wants to be alone.
I don't believe it. It is also a Jawari.
Tracey, it's okay. Everything's gonna be fine, alright? Mommy's gonna come. Okay? It's okay. You're a big girl. Try and understand, alright? Everything will be fine. Mommy's gonna come.
excuse me.
Yes, madam.
It's almost 10 a.m.
Well, yes, I had to do something. I'm so sorry. She's late.
Sir, please, can I have a word with you?
Yes, sure. Why not? Tracy, go ahead. Go to class, okay? Love you. Bye. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, please. Of late, Tracy doesn't come to school on time. And when she comes to, she's not properly dressed. Can you please tell your wife to check up on that for me, please?
Yes, I'm sure. I'll work on it. It's just that we've been having some challenges, but thank you for the concern. I'll work on it. Thank you.
Sure, you're welcome. Tracy, do you need some assistance?
Yes, please.
Why, you can't open your lunchbox?
Yes. Madam, please, my mother has left the house. It's my father who does everything now, including dressing me up for school. So, madam, please, take it easy on my father.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I promise I will not do that again. I will never repeat that again, okay?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, when is your mother coming back to the house?
I'm not sure she will come back. I heard she said she wants a divorce.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh, poor Tracy, sorry, okay? Everything will be fine, okay?
Okay.
Please tell your father, I'm so sorry, okay? Tell him that I said I'm so sorry for saying that to him, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let me leave you to have a lunch. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Don't be thinking about it, okay? Alright? Okay, eat. I'll see you.
Tracy. Yeah. Didn't I tell you to go to bed? It's getting late.
Daddy, please, I want to tell you something.
You want to tell me something? What is it?
Daddy, Madam Kayla said I should come and tell you that she was very sorry for how she spoke to you today.
Sorry for how she spoke to me? What are you talking about? You know, what did you tell her, Tracy?
I told her that Mommy has left the house and it's only you that is taking care of me now.
Didn't I tell you? Have I not warned you that you shouldn't discuss whatever happens in this house to anybody out there, to any stranger? Haven't I told you that before?
Daddy, I'm sorry, but Madam Kayla is not a stranger. She's my teacher.
I understand that. She's your teacher, but she's still a stranger. And I'm saying, whoever doesn't live in this house doesn't get to hear what happens in this house. Do you understand me? Is that clear?
Yes, Daddy.
Don't do it again. Yes. Don't discuss our matters with anybody out there.
Yes,
don't do it again.
Yes, Daddy.
Now go to bed. Do you want to be late for school again tomorrow?
No.
Go to bed.
Daddy, but should I tell her that you are forgiving her?
Okay. tell her I've forgiven her, that's fine. Now, will you go to bed, please?
Yes.
Good night. And make sure you sleep immediately.
Amachi.
Ah.
How to say?
Me I don't mind, yeah.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, Tracey. How to say?
Pacha me hoye.
Oh, wow.
Pacha di.
Ma ene me bo.
Hey, Amachi, Mati.
Eh, Tracy, hwana man nsuo.
Hey.
Boss, me pacho enche bia na ma wasiba obai mama that na se mama nsu kakra kra no.
That's okay. That's fine.
Pacho all okay ka. Ai. Se dia akoya adwenyi o. Akoya adwenyi.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. I'll call.
Thank you.
Aso. You cry, what? And oh, yare. Papa, no, yare.
Baby.
Tracey.
Now there will be a couple about it.
Didn't you tell Grandma?
No.
I didn't know.
Give Grandma a minute, okay? We want to talk.
Okay.
Ma, I don't even understand what the problem is. Ma, it's you. Oh God. Chantel has just changed. She's a different person. I don't even know who she is anymore. She's doing some funny things. I don't even get it. And then suddenly she says she wants a divorce. I mean, divorce. Before I knew it, man, she packed her things. She left. She's gone.
Okay.
And I will be sad.
No, I'm missing. Was this a new man? Was this a feeling? Yeah. And what the question?
Are they?
One more. And one more man yet. And I was so tired. I won't frame in country.
Mama, it's not for me to tell you. She's the one who has left. I thought you are the mother. I think it's right that she tells you.
Hey.
But she's not at your house. How? So where is she?
Hey, when are we through? When are we through? Mbani yaria, me jenefiri wo. What you say?
Ma, I was sure she was at your house. I was sure.
What you say? If he lost, I'll collect him from you. Eh? I will collect him from you.
Ma, she left this house. So I didn't drive her away. She left here.
What are some of my entire? Asamu my entire, and I won't casano. What by G no free? Nipa. What? So one tears here. You collect him from person. You got my child from person. And you are sitting there telling me anything. Eh? Oh, you want to show cry. What do you my friend? Hey, what's some case you say about Wonka? Hey, we want to show.
Right there. I'm sure she might.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, she's
That's
there.
her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom, you okay?
You okay?
So you okay? Are you okay? Oh, this is you. I have so my baby a free bus super call. No say offer me. And I'm cast me back. Aha, it's nature say. You're not seeing na me say. Yeah, best how. Me Madam Fee. Pacha.
Unanti sasa obeslame ana mo obeslame.
Yeah, best how. Say me Madam for the
Madam for say. Say me ntia say Madam for say. Obafa be Madam for sa. Eh? Ke ko se me ko hwe wo kru fi. Na mdro no kru se wasesa wo nyoma nyina firi ho. Se wo ware bio. Na wo firi wo so wa ba. Wa fa nyoma na ba. O de ko hin. If I say what here,
man.
Adai,
my control said, ma, our real no mean to me why be. As some no see me banana catch mean to me why be.
Dear one about went to me one day. I want to be my boy, my man, so. Cash in me. And I also saw no man who jail ban so. And I want a number, battery.
Me number, my control said, mean to me some mammachi, any woman bet me if you have no see. It's Madam Fee na Jimmy. You Madam Fee.
Eh? Wadafo one wo.
This man ka me.
Dia sam to wa. Wadafo na be dia bo awana.
Ni tina me na ba.
Woni abushia. Ene no wajeja wo sa. Woni munyansa. Sa wo enna e wo ho. E dia ho. E ho. Dia wo ye. Wo ka se tumire wa yiwam. Ufa nyoma wo fam keke no wafa enti wafa na wasesa ne nyoma fi ni krufi a waje na tena no ase ne so pa kire me sei sane sei sane fa ayi wo fam krati sa sam to no a woni na tia se bibi to no ho a wa na ababo na mane
why na afa hwan wo fam
ade na wafa wo fam
wo mama ye ti say dem ye useless
na ya de ye wa useless o. Why useless oh nyame na mema why useless why ya ho saa krate asam to na hwan na wo kwaba na mane se asam ato
ma ye bese kwan na yakọ
wo bese akwan
na dia wo ye asese
penetrate neither boiling or cooking go and bring your things come for nyama bra ko se sa nyama bra ha krate
fa me nyama bra me
so wa fa nyama na ma me tiwatu Untu wiame ba. Tese wo wiame.
O wiame.
Eye wo de wa de na wo te ho. Let's go. Wo te ho. Wa fa de wo fom. Ade afuo. Wa mre.
Let's go.
I crame. Ashamani. Adi anono. Ka asasa akwanya no kosi o. Da je bema bi. Wo no awurade mema bi pade afo papa. Se de wo fa wo fom no saa no be yusu wo. Saa ka nua ba no ya yen sa ka be ode. Ha? Ka be ode. Will it happen you? Kasi sama kwako. What are you Kusia? Come on, I'm Kusia. I'm come to Kusia. What to Kusia? Or white wool. Mineral rubber black. Ako. Kusia ba ako perma rubber.
You really in Patron Chow. As a own kind of car.
Menka say.
William,
Manka cross a car, Mecca.
Numbers and can be whom I didn't go.
It's on the moon coming. Pato, Fakuna Mexas. What in?
But that's the man.
I have a call.
Now, whom you are in your body. I think so recently, my name Obashante Obaranche. Mama, Patrol. No clear was a man say Chantel Kun or Titi, no. A man first stress more. Looking at Chantel, no, I don't think she deserves that. She deserves better. Oh, here will be your massem. Papa no de massem hana. Na yari and swaba. Aside yari cry, bani cry for me. After tell bani cry any baby. And see, Michelle Sana say no, she deserves better. I was so near baby power, but down as soon but Juno. And their mamma the Jane one na and yen the coin bonnet so. And then the crown bonnet for man.
Where you are, man? One cassa won't. Just say, there's a new crew, Hano. No quanswan no. The new crew, Hano, at the Massimo Hana, no quanswan. Or by Gino or by one about Warren. And then they are be back or Trawaka, just like that. And then be thousand to be young say, see ya, 7 young men fast am back. Bibi Tonoa, Ober and a bush of 4 another one. Sunday Jenny partner.
Mamma, with you mean child.
What better than I are the Shasoka Sakasa, no was also. And throw one the more money, and I won't do any here.
My experience, be a woman, chair my course about my experience with my man. The question, the queer woman is a Obanonkas and managing.
Often what job?
Hey, and you know.
Often what can someone?
Managing one.
Obi party won't throw a bit about a dinner. I know be the way. I want to know a neck. I want to know what Shannon Baba would drew. And then what you do. The banner see your man class, and I will boil. To Miss Slow, and penetrate. Penanoa. Send away, ya. What's a son, no man would be, and yen sap pepper. What's a no man Bremen? And yes, I'm the policeman or a tattoo. And the ya. Me and me ya.
My way, dear, me train Quan Sana, my Obanu Minigino. May I done.
The American won't say one.
Mate, I'm presuming Midwalk could dinner.
Eh?
Midwalk.
Magiama. Who don't I could make it on Midwadi Bema? What?
On no sooner the other dinner.
Magic almost on the enough for the woman. Cocos and your man, Bram Patron P. I don't want that. I don't want what you are doing. I tell you, neither boiling or frying. Go and bring my daughter.
No, Pacho, I can't stand back up in chair. And so, Obano, name the kind of value I'm a woman. I don't know.
Wouldn't me away and all. Wouldn't my dear away. And I say my walk can. Wouldn't me a walker. Wouldn't me say, or your bar water for.
Oh my
God. Yeah, no one dear. One agents, our agents, and I may. Wouldn't some monsieur and I will burn on. Eh, monsieur, can pass or for be it. It's no by heart, you know. Why, you are better post up over Tarabaho. You want to good time over Tarabaho, cried Jet. Are they? And then you mention a me cool. Wow, one in the Beku.
Wow, one in say, me door, banana, me person, son, baby, or one on near soon, do you?
One in is our 4 be it. I do not trophy, none another. What it? Me the police babane. And then, yeah, me the police baba, oh, penno, ako fabram, ko fan nyama brame. I now person Jimmy ban by force, huh? Sorry, ko fan your man bra.
Mammy, me call back. Sandra.
Oh, ban, none your man come home, and our neighbor.
But me fan kusi ana mjawa.
Fasua, na fako still carry mo na fako.
Ama me na uni me dada, uni me baby dada na.
Na me pese me hu ye den. Jimmy we pese me hu ye den.
Me.
Uni mu nyansa kra. Ana usika na board dam.
O send at least when we say common de me. Nti me asho oba no. Ama ebi account.
O ren Chantel ni kuro. O yo hie ni o.
Ami onye hie ni nso onto aduane ma me o.
Na wo to aduane ma o.
Obi anto aduane ma obi.
Everybody we say ben faka say de wo ba Jimmy fo amre. Say de wo tete no.
Ami ade na ase.
So why try you as a won tell some ase. Na obeti ase.
Uni mama. Minim baby a sane ma we nyina free ba. Ami na pe bibi fa to me.
Hey! Fosika ko. Fosika droko. Fosika droko. Me won't even tell me. Won't even tell me that. Me to be Fosika we ni. Emma ayi masse papa bi. Emma against me. What? Be Fosika ko onte. Hey, woko. Ah. So
well, I am extremely grateful to you. I can't really express how I feel. I just want to thank you. I think you I'm out of words.
That's fine. You don't have to say sorry. After confronting Tracey, she told me everything that is happening at home. And I decided to try and help because Tracey is one of the brilliant students in the class, and then it's really affecting her academically. So I decided to take it upon myself and then try my best to help.
Right. Okay. What did she tell you? You know what? Never mind. I'm just wondering what she must have said.
Nothing serious, but the last time I told her to say sorry to you on my behalf, I think that she did that right.
Yeah, I think she said something to that effect, but it's okay. I mean, I was a little offended, but it's fine. I got your message.
I'm so sorry once again.
I'm thankful to you as well. I'm very grateful, honestly, for helping out.
Okay. I would have to rush back home, so let me.
Right. Okay. No problem. You ready?
Yeah. So as I was saying, the board mass, it means the B stands for the brackets and then off, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Note the off, this off is still multiplication. Oh yeah, then the answer should get here. Then you put all of it together and that is when you get that answer. Do you understand? So I said brackets of division,
Multiplication, addition and subtraction.
Good. So in this case, you write the 2 here. You solve, meaning that you're solving the one in the bracket first. You get it. So the bracket is 2 over 2. So in this case, you solve this with the bracket. So the bracket is 2. Good girl. You fight. Let's go.
Are you sure you understand or you are just doing like you understand? You sure you understand? Sure. Okay.
Anyway, so let's go and check the food before Vicker's friends.
Are you cooking?
Are you not smelling anything nice?
Well, I smelled it, but I didn't think it was coming from this house.
Well, your daughter's the one cooking, and today you know how good she is. Oh, they made it. That's your dinner. Why are you surprised?
Madam. Okay, Siri, unshira o mami wate. Nkupu unshira o madam. Minim da say security for yensu yetimi didi 3 times a day.
What are you saying? If you don't eat 3 times a day?
Madam, me say, Adam me didi twice no. Na enokra no ye de omadi amanaka. Ma fase me de command kama na me so ma hye one side na ma podwe e de aka ho. Madam,
aduane ni fia.
Onshira. Aduane ni fia ha. Aduane ni fia ha beni. Bisa bio. E fia aduane ye di ne na. Enso Madam Chantel oni adagye ba ku sei sima se be ye obenya adagye atena ase anu aduane am ye nya bi adi no okobasa no no kura wonya adagye didi sei no woma bi adi ye nya aduane ni intimiti ye na menya ba ku bi epodwa a na me de beda na se wo de watimi pa ma aduane anopa aduane o ma mi bi kwa adwumre so wasa abre ma aduane a me de me honhom me kra eni me nipadua nyina bebo afode ama wo adi ama honhom tena gate na no a eye mpaebo na mebode ata wachi wate oduma nkoma anya okese onhira wo o ma ware ewe nyi yi o ma ware ewe nyina ema me.
Hold on, that one dear.
That
one dear, relax. Thank you for everything, but I know the enjoyment if I'm destined to be here.
Madam, me work kurase pa come difufu da toto body you be kura dia toso. Se wo hu na ntime tifi amutimi makom wo bere me yam sei.
Anyway, don't worry.
That's what.
Yeah.
Kupo nshira. Oh, Madam Chantel.
John. It's not a business card.
Yeah. 10,000. Hey, that's some more. Yes, so you get their Momo number, I can forward it to them.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, I have another surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Yes. And ideally, I should be on one knee. But since we are in the vehicle and we are all in a good mood, will you marry me?
What? Oh my God. Yes.
Yes.
I'll marry you. Yes. Thank
There
you
you
so
go.
much. Thank you so much.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. That's so cute.
Please come in.
Tracey. Oh, is that you? How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Oh, you're a big girl now. Where's your dad?
It's inside.
Okay. Can you call him for me?
Yes.
Oh. Tracey is now a big girl. Just now.
Bella! Hey, good to see you. I told you my house wasn't far from your office.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yes.
And I promised to visit you, right?
I am a bit surprised. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Nice.
Tracey is now a big girl.
I was just about to say, do you know this is my cousin? You know her? You don't remember? It's okay. This is my cousin from my mother's side.
Tracey, I'm your auntie.
Yes. Go get a juice or something. What will you drink? Juice is fine?
That's fine.
Right. What's happening? Mama tells me that you've not been going to the village. What's the issue?
Mother, work has been keeping me busy.
You can't do that. You can't do that. You have to visit the old folks. So
I have to. You know I need it.
I understand it's about money, but you need to save. Save and go and see the old folks. It's important.
I'm trying.
So the last time I was there, Mama was asking me if I knew whether or not you are seeing someone when you're going to get married and stuff like no saying.
Please. Let me just focus on the work first. I'm begging you.
But you are old enough now. You know how these old folks are.
Maybe.
Maybe. Meaning.
I'm lying, I'm not seeing anyone.
Even worse.
I'm not.
At your age.
Am I 50?
No, but you know.
I'm fine. I'll find one later.
Are you? What?
Okay, so I just came for a break and I decided to come and visit you since your house is just...
That's fine. Don't let me keep you. Work is important. I appreciate you visiting. But you should come around more often. It's important that you come visit me and the money that you are talking about, who knows?
Darling,
Honey.
I want to say a very, very big thank you. I know you don't like this, but let me do it. Thank you so much for everything. For the love, for the support. Look, you actually made me feel like a real woman. I never believed men like you do exist. Like men that stick to one woman, not cheating. Wow. You are a darling. Thank you.
I want to do more.
No, it's okay. You know
You probably have no idea who you are.
Thank you so much. Yeah, men like you. Oh.
Let me find out who is that
Okay.
girl.
I love you.
Love you too, honey.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
What's the meaning of that? What was that? Oh, okay. I get it. What the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is going on here? Can you explain this to me?
Is everything
okay?
Yes, everything is okay. I just have to.
What?
Excuse me, hold on.
Excuse me, lady. Hold on. What's wrong with you? Jonathan, I am over there in the snow, working my ass out, bringing you money, and what you do is to spend it on other women? I was told so many times that you bring women into the house that I built with my money. Jonathan,
what's this?
Is this what you've been doing here?
What is going on?
Okay, explain to us. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Jonathan, what do you have to say? Tell me, what do you have to say? You deserve a slap from me! What do you have to say? Joe, what do you have to say?
What is it?
Shut up, woman! Shut up! I am his wedded wife.
It's okay.
In case you didn't know,
Listen.
I am in the snow working my ass out for you. I am so mad at you.
Joe,
I'm so mad at you.
Tell me it's not true.
Talk! Who is she? Who am I to you? Can you please tell her? Who am I to you?
The woman of the Wi-Fi.
Joe!
I didn't say I didn't have a
You
wife.
stammer now? You stammer now? You can't even talk.
I'm dreaming. This is not what you are thinking, eh? I had to get a company here.
This is not
happening.
This is not happening.
Like food. That is not what you are thinking. We can solve this and make up. Just calm down, please. Okay, this is not what you are thinking. I brought her here to help with the house chores and that stuff.
Really? I will deal with you. Okay? I will be back. You heard her.
I didn't know you can act like this. I didn't know you can act like this.
You need to pay me.
You nearly slapped me.
Of course, anything for the money.
No.
Did you get all the money?
Listen. I didn't know you could act
Scan
like this.
Scan away.
You were 419.
Just no me when you are. Ada you be ati we. Ayra. Ha na bu. Dia. Ana o ka se minim de e ko. So so the bag aba betru. Me. O ka se ma hu atra. Ma hu atra na pese me hu ade ko dire tia. Hu miamia wani ase. Dia sem.
Say Joe, we need to feel okay. Mom say if you are team say Joe or you.
So what you want so?
My head.
What you want?
My head.
E ya me de papa. E ya me de. So wa won sade ti abonte. Na fe de wo hu fie kwan. Enya fie we mu na so de wontimi ne mentra no. Ara ma sasa. Enya ara mawu. What's up baby? Back to Sandra. Kan for ne no mesi kokro. Basi kwa kokro. Uka se utime no mentra. Usisa ho ko cheye. Ya fa fufu let no kuma no fufu ofo. Ofo free na wunya wofo. No bi na wo wa na ofifi free form. Enti wo fa asase de. Afen wo show wa wusu. Awura basi afa ko. Basi kokro. Kama fa no man ko. Papa wani so. Asiaba, we don't want to chat out Adam. When you shoot to grab on a fed over. When you sweat to us here, I'm not a branch of 5 percent or neither. Only brown. When I want to feel we are seeing.
Baby.
Babe.
Honey?
You've not said anything about the deal. How did it go?
Oh, that one. Okay, so I told you I used the networking format, right?
Okay.
So this is what I told her. I said I wanted to buy more shares from the network, the telecommunication companies.
Okay.
And unfortunately, I've got my money locked up, stacked somewhere. Listen, I didn't ask for anything. Guess what happened?
Unless you tell me what happened.
After she got to know my money is stocked up somewhere, blah blah blah, the girl cleared everything in her account for me.
Oh my God! Just like that?
Just like that.
She's in love.
Of course. What
crazy?
What do you expect? Aren't you in love?
Shut up! You're crazy. Who's in love?
Tell me, aren't you in love with me?
Shut up!
Listen, baby. Listen.
Don't you also love me?
Listen, honey. Give me the chance to meet Lodina Mahama tonight. She will fall in love within the next minute. You have no idea who you're dealing with. Listen. Let me meet Rebecca tonight. She'll fall in love the next minute.
You trust yourself so much.
Okay, don't you love me? So, don't you love me?
Don't you also love me? Babe.
Honey?
Is that you?
That's me.
Come, let's enjoy the movie together.
Oh, honey.
Yes, baby.
There is a good news.
Really? What's the news?
Okay, so I just spoke with the guy, and apparently the visas are ready.
You don't mean it?
I mean it, honey.
That fast?
Now the only problem is the tickets. I got Delta Airlines, but that will be Monday.
On Monday?
Yes.
Well, that's okay.
Honey, listen. You won't understand, but I honestly don't want to spend another time living here. I wish we could even leave tonight.
Yeah. I'm trying to get you now. So, what if we live here, then we'll lodge in a hotel till Monday? How about that?
Beautiful.
Right, that's perfect.
Beautiful. We should get a hotel and then probably leave on Monday morning.
You're salted.
Come on.
That's my baby.
Come on.
Cheers. Cheers to more success, more money,
More good life.
more wealth.
And beautiful life abroad.
Okay, so Monday by this time,
We'll be flying in the air.
moving all the way to New York City.
I want to go to Miami.
Okay.
The beach side, Miami Beach. Honey, where are you? Honey?
Hold on.
I'm really going to miss this house, trust me.
It's my favorite place.
Flying.
Bye! My favorite place.
Joe, come here.
Joe, baby.
Miami Joe.
I don't want to.
Joe,
turn up the baby home. Two doesn't let you on. What does it do that? You're the baby now.
Don't you?
Yes,
John, in the air, don't I know? I'm Miss Vicker bank, and no mammy the bonnet bosia. Say, be bonnet bosia, Eric, Miss Vicker, mammy.
I don't announce program.
Me the bonnet bosia, my good grandma. No,
I know what's going to at the back in my member. Shall we shop? Say, why you create so we know what to do. Huh? Just shop with the other one. Make you feel. No, and what comes to you?
me bonnet bosia, me body pia. Hey, Joe. Me test you want to.
Yes, West. It's soon the boy can walk. It's all by West. Then we know. So, tea, the 2 4 months, the more pet, and I'm with the madrid mono, and one on there. Yes, soon, a change of boy. Me no meaning na be ko kunu woni akopanicho. Na so beti.
Todi nya say ni ke. Ye nko sisi abreko.
Ba se kwa. Sorry ko. Me me che so wo china no wo ka tem to fa. Ko fa bag na ko no china ma ba.
Mama. Onde disso on the betchem.
On betchem. So no obanim ti on betchem.
Yes.
Some from so batani pa. Nipa na ya ye boni ye dua. On betchem, onu so ye nipa. Eso ohun mo bo no de chem. Mo shi se kura fo adam.
Hey, former madam.
Hey.
One for mama.
Amache, who friend me saying?
Mama, I'm back on neighbor. Man, I'm weird there.
Hey. Sorry for me the camera. Fuck off. Ma, you go.
I don't know for mama.
Then what the all? One for madam.
This is the way I respond.
Ah, what's that you?
O de yenko. Say han e be fa ko. Say han e be fa ko.
Say woni mu dem.
Ma o de yenko.
Kwasi akeka yo de pa.
So what say? Say you be fa ha. You shall see.
Oh. Wako dane formal amile. Anya jinse mu awie. Anya yi.
Tracey. No!
What are you doing in my husband's house?
This one is like, who are they? The woman.
Only the chair Tracey had your class.
Oh.
Auntie, Pacho show me.
You know Jim.
Jim. Pacho, is he away you coming here?
I asked the question then. What's Sandra?
Auntie, Pacho, what's your number?
And Mama, what kind of questions?
Oh, you have to say one car. She ain't be a no high dine guy.
Pacho, what's over?
No, ma. You hear permission. We don't need permission before coming to my husband's house. I am his wife. His legal wife. Hello?
Like, are
you serious?
Okay, always hide.
Tracey, I don't want to. All family. All family. Bra, too bad, the bum.
She's grown so tall.
I don't know. Who feel man? Who feel woman? Well, yo, who miss my money? I mean, I'm a woman money. When you first said, I want to cry, couldn't. Na, Mrs. Obama tenant yashole na yedinko. Ebushianko.
Ma, please. Respectfully. She is family to me now. So please, whatever you have to say, Pacho, carry on.
Jim, what my mom is trying to say is we want to discuss family issues. So if Tracey's teacher, Kayla, can excuse us, that's what she's trying to say.
I heard what the old lady said. I understood. And I am saying that Kayla here is my family. So whatever Ma wants to say, please, go ahead. I'm listening.
You, and you grab a money. Send your man on buy and wow, Kawasemu, on the one I can't tell so Jawa. Only Sawari Mudi to go to see. Yes. I command Joa, no massacre. And you go feel so. But trying to take a crack, my number phone to the neighbor. Oh, what warren, yes, I won't come blow. Why are not one dear? I shall not kawa. Ya Johnson, dear twins is you. It means you're not Trassa, Miss Omega Bema. You're back. Tea. Never forget me, I am, dear. Remember, soon, Yana, I am a camel. Then should have for me. Debbie, I sent me to what you blow. Pacho, I don't know.
Ma, I don't know how this is going to work. I don't think it's going to change anything. Because we were here when Chantel said that she wants a divorce. Before I knew it, she packed her things and left.
It happened.
Then Mama, what happens? What happens?
This is normal.
What is normal?
Quarreling in marriages and things, they are normal.
Hold on. Is quarreling the same as I want a divorce?
I was just joking.
Oh, you were joking.
Slip of tongue.
Exactly.
You were joking. It's saying I want a divorce a joke.
It was just a
Is
joke.
this something you joke with?
What? So you thought I was serious about divorcing you?
What kind of nonsense? What are you telling me? Didn't you leave this house?
I was just joking.
You were okay when you left. Why are we even discussing this matter? We are not here to discuss this matter. My lawyer has been looking for you to give you the papers. You said you wanted a divorce. I've signed it. He's going to find you. I don't know why he hasn't still served you, but he's been looking for you. He will serve you, and then we can discuss from there what to do next. Now is not the time to come and discuss whether you are This is my life in here. So all those things that you are saying, it's not going to happen.
Tracy's teacher. Jim! Look. Over my head, but
what do you mean over your head?
Look! You should
were you not here when you left this place?
I was just joking!
You were joking! What does joking mean?
That was why you were giving me attitude. Calm down.
That was why? What was wrong with you?
You!
What are you going to do?
No, I will kill you!
You will kill me?
I will deal with you!
Get out!
Please. I will be back! I will be back! This is my house! Where am I going?
I can't live with this anymore.
Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath away. Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath away. I grew weaker every day in your heart. I used to stay, now I got no place to lay, 'cause my world has been flushed away. I never thought I would see today, but here